Hello guys! In this quick video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to get Microsoft reward points. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Rewards. As you can see here, my available points are 168 and my today's points are 12. To get more points, all you need to do is to open a new tab and search for extensions. Click on the first site and here search for Automate Microsoft Rewards. Automate Bing Rewards will appear to you as the first option. Click on it and choose to add it to Chrome. Now go back to Microsoft Rewards website. Open the extension settings and set the mobile and desktop searches to 0 and click Run Now. Next, look at the top left corner and you'll find a search icon. Click on it. A search window will open automatically. After that, go back to Microsoft Rewards and you'll find that your points are increasing. So, I hope you find this video useful. If it is, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.